Imagine a quaint small town where unity and love bloom like the most vibrant flowers in spring. Each corner of this hamlet hums with tales of friendship, dreams, and triumphs. Underneath every flickering street lamp, a dream lies hidden, waiting to be discovered, filled with untold stories and mysteries. In this charming town, the flutter of a butterfly could spark a love story. A single delicate flower plucked from a field of marigolds might touch a young girl's heart, weaving a tale of affection that resonates through the cobblestone streets. Every year, a fair graces this town, a vibrant tapestry of laughter, music, and the scent of sweet treats. It's a place where precious things are hidden, waiting to be found, where the unity of the town is at its strongest. Among the crowd, there's a young man, a dreamer. His eyes reflect his dreams of making his town even better, of solving the mysteries that make it so unique. But solutions to mysteries are not always easy to find. The young man faces challenges, he stumbles, yet he rises again, his heart filled with determination for his beloved town. Eventually, his youth and dreams give the town a new direction, a place where the sense of unity and love is even more palpable, where every corner is filled with stories of success, of dreams realized, of love found. Every face in the town carries significance, every individual has a unique story. Each day a new dream is born, and every moment a new journey begins. If you enjoyed this video, do like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.